Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my fall bucket list, and I'm making this actually pretty far in advance. It's still pretty much the middle of summer by when I'm filming this, but I wanted to get a head start because I'm going back to work in a couple of weeks, and I want to have my fall bucket list done so that we can kind of start thinking about when we want to go to some of or do some of these activities, because my husband is in the National Guard, and some weekends he's not available, so we might be doing some of these things like at the end of August, and counting them as fall. So the first thing that I wanted to do is I want to put some washi. I wanted to put some washi on the side here to cover up the confetti, but I don't think it'll work. So I think I'm just gonna ignore the washi, question mark, or ignore the confetti, and we'll see where we go. So this washi that I'm putting down first is from the Happy Planner, and I'm pretty sure that this was, I mean, it's a couple years old at least. I'm not entirely sure, but I really do like the leaf pattern because it brings in all of the reds, the golds, the greens. It just screams fall to me, and it also includes the green, which not many things do include green. So for the decorating of this page, I'm going to be using this seasonal sticker book. I'm pretty sure this was meant for teachers, because it's got like a lot of like school things, and there's really no like actual summer, but that's totally fine. And actually the thing that I'm going to do first is in the back there are these goal letters, and I'm going to do fall bucket list, and I'm going to cut away, and then I will come back when I'm done putting the letters on. Okay, so I don't know if you can, oh, there we go. You can kind of see that fall bucket list. So, and I did make a list of things that I think we're going to end up doing. It's my son's first fall, and so of course we're going to do like all of the things, or try to do all of the things. So we're going to cross our fingers. We're going to try. So I know I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do this, so I'm just going to start writing and we'll see where we go. So I know we want to go apple picking. We want to drink apple cider. We're going to eat a caramel apple. We're going to decorate for fall. Eat candy corn. We're going to watch football. Watch Hocus Pocus. We're going to make chili. And we're going to play in a pile of leaves. Okay, so that's my list. And now I'm going to take these stickers and I'm going to just kind of decorate the page. And so I know, let's see, I'm pretty sure it's this next page. Yeah, this next page is the one that I specifically want to use because it does have the gold foiling. So I want to grab this pumpkin. Oh, here, I'm just going to put this sticker book to the side. And I want to put the pumpkin down here. And let's see. I know I want to use some of these like completely gold, like fern looking things. And get some leaves. So I put, here, let's zoom in just a little bit. So I did put a leaf up on top here. And I think I'm going to put a leaf, but I think I want to, let's flip back to this other one. I'm going to put these green leaves down at the bottom, so there's just a little bit more color. And then I'm going to put that gold one. Ooh, and that is a real big glare. Actually, I'm going to put down, or not, I'll just go over top of that. Just for some contrast. And I was hoping that there would be some, haha, there is, some candy corn. I'm going to put some candy corn. And then I'm going to put an apple for apple picking. And then another couple of leaves and a couple acorns. And then, let's see. I think I'm going to put this pie kind of in the middle. And then I'm going to put this like yellow apple down here. And I think that's it for my fall bucket list. Let me just zoom out. Just a super quick like little thing so that I can keep track of things that we do end up doing. Yeah, I'm really excited for the fall. Like it'll be my son's first fall, truly first fall. He was born November 6th and I'm really excited for like Halloween and he's going to be Tigger. And I'm just excited to finally like celebrate with him. And he's now old enough that he kind of gets like, I mean, he doesn't get the whole like holiday thing, but like, I mean, I don't know. It's just really fun to watch him just learn and explore the world. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I am planning a lot of content for the fall and winter. So please stick around. It'll be fun. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.